Hi everyone! In this video you will learn how to utilize communication wheel commands in Overwatch. Group up. Use this to gather your team before a push or to regroup after a fight. Understood. Acknowledge teammates' callouts or instructions. Request healing from your supports when you're low on health and out of line of sight. Let your team know your ultimate charge percentage or readiness. Show appreciation for a teammate's assistance or a healer's support. Use this at the beginning of the match to greet your team or to acknowledge an ally. Coordinate your team's focus on attacking or defending the objective. Suggest a flank route to coordinate an attack from multiple directions. Warn your team about an enemy's likely ultimate ability. Alert your team to an incoming threat or danger. Direct your team to follow your lead for a coordinated push. Signal your team to retreat and regroup if an engagement isn't going well. Initiate a coordinated push or action with your team. Advise your team to retreat if outnumbered or to avoid overextending. Request assistance from your teammates when you're under pressure. Announce that your ultimate ability is charged and ready to use. Disagree with a plan or suggest an alternative strategy. Agree with a plan or indicate readiness to execute a strategy. Specify a location for your team to gather before making a move. Request a shield or barrier from your tank in a specific location. And that's how to utilize communication wheel commands in Overwatch. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.